Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit fine at your homes. Dear students, today we will learn the formation of the combined cursive letter Q and letter R. So let's start. First of all, make a curve like this and then round. Then bring the line downwards. Make a small round between these two black lines, standing line and slanting line. Alphabet Q. What we are doing? Combined cursive alphabet Q. This is capital and small q. Okay, students, again I will tell you the formation of the alphabet Q. First of all, make a curve like this and make a round. Then again bring this line downwards up to the black line and then make a small round like this, standing line and a slanting line. Now I will tell you the formation of letter R, combined cursive letter R. First of all, make a standing line like this and then a curve, then round, slanting line, again curve and round, again curve and again draw the curve downwards. What we are doing? Combined cursive alphabet R. Again, first of all, make a standing line, then curve. Now make a round like this, slanting line, again curve like this and then round and again curve. Okay, students, hope you have understood it. Okay, students, now we will do the E sound words. पहले हमने A sound वाले किए थे words and today we will do E sound words. ठीक है, जिनमें E sound की आवाज आती है, जैसे B E G, bag. ठीक है, B E G, bag. L E G, leg. ठीक है, कौन से वर्ड्स कर रहे हैं हम? ई साउंड वाले. ठीक है, ई साउंड. L E G, leg. B E G, bag. H E N, hen. H E N, hen. M E N, man. M E N, man. B E D, bed. B E D, bed. R E D, red. R E D, red. Okay, student, once again we will revise E sound words. B E G, bag. B E G, bag. L E G, leg. L E G, leg. H E N, hen. H E N, hen. M E N, man. M-E-N, men. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Okay student, do this work at your fair notebook and you have to learn these words and do practice of these alphabets at your fair notebook. Letter Q and R. Thank you. Have a nice day.